welcome to my video. Today we're gonna make a cherry pie. So here's the mini dash. Okay. Here's the mini dash, and I got some dough, I got some cherries, and I got some eggs. So I have to like make it flat, like a circle flat.
Oh shucks, we gotta turn the oh goodness. Wait a minute. Uh-oh. Technical difficulties. But look, she's doing such a great job. Yeah, keep kneading it, because guess what I didn't do? I didn't plug it up.
Okay, so
Your mom is a genius. Okay.
So since the dough
Let's move this over.
Since the dough is all flat, I'm gonna pour some eggs.
Whoa! Not just pour the eggs on it. You gotta make sure it's flatter. Hold on a sec. Hold on. Okay. You gotta make sure it's flat, right? Because it has to go inside of the pie maker. So what we're gonna do is...
I'm gonna pie it up.
Yeah. We're gonna wait for this to turn off. Okay. All right. Let's see. And I don't know if this dash thing here requires like any butter or margarine, but we're gonna find out today. Aren't we, Zelda? Okay. All right. So, flip it over. Yep, just like that. And now we have to do the same thing for this one. Okay. Oh, wow. The aggression is real. All right, what are you doing to it now?
So you see, I'm trying to roll it up in a ball so I can get it to be easier to make it flat.
Okay, awesome sauce. Our little pie thing is still, it's still blue, so that means it's not ready yet. This is gonna be interesting. Okay. Once we get into the groove, guys, or whatever, and we get some more subscribers, we won't have to use my hand anymore. She can get a whole tripod thingy. Yeah, what happened? What?
So next time we're gonna make a Mickey Mouse waffles, and you gotta like and subscribe and have comments on the below.
Yes, only nice comments though. All bad comments
bads.
will be blocked. Okay, Blizzard. Key. All right. So what's it looking like over there? I suck at being a cameraman. You might have to go. Oh, snap. It turned off. Okay. All right. So now it's my turn because this is really, really hot.
Wait, I knew.